The Adventure of the Rainbow Bridge. Once upon a time, in a magical land called Everbright, there was a village where all the animals lived in harmony. In this village lived four best friends: Leo the lion, Ellie the elephant, Zara the zebra, and Max the monkey. They loved playing together and going on adventures. One day, the friends decided to explore the other side of the sparkling river, known for its beautiful rainbow bridge. As they approached the bridge, they discovered it was broken. The colorful planks were scattered everywhere. "Oh no!" exclaimed Ellie. "How will we get across now?" Leo, with his brave heart, said, "We can fix it together. Let's use our different skills to rebuild the bridge." The friends agreed and started planning. Leo the lion, with his strong paws, Leo gathered the heavy planks and brought them to the bridge. Ellie the elephant, using her long trunk, Ellie lifted the planks high and placed them in position. Zara the zebra, Zara with her keen eyes for patterns, helped arrange the planks in the right order to restore the bridge's beautiful rainbow colors. Max the monkey, nimble and quick, Max climbed around securing the planks with vines and ensuring everything was tight and safe. As they worked together, they sang songs and encouraged each other. When Max got tired, Leo took over his task for a while. When Ellie felt the planks were too heavy, Zara and Leo cheered her on, giving her the strength to keep going. After hours of hard work, the rainbow bridge was finally rebuilt, shining brighter than ever. The friends took at their creation proud and happy. "Look at what we did together," Max exclaimed. "We couldn't have done it alone." The friends crossed the bridge to the other side of the sparkling river and discovered a beautiful meadow filled with the most amazing flowers they had ever seen. They played and explored, enjoying the fruits of their teamwork. That evening, as they watched the sunset, Leo said, "Today we learned that friendship and teamwork can overcome any challenge. We each have unique strengths, and when we combine them, we can achieve great things." Ellie nodded. True friends support each other and work together. That's what makes our friendship special. Zara added, "And what we should always appreciate each other's strength and be there when our friends need us." Max concluded, "With friendship and teamwork, even the hardest tasks become the fun adventures." From that day on, Leo, Ellie, Zara, and Max knew that their friendship was their greatest treasure. They continued to go on many more adventures, always working together and supporting each other. And so, in the magical land of Everbright, the four friends lived happily ever after, knowing that with friendship and teamwork, anything is possible. So, dear children, the learnings and morals of the story are: teamwork is powerful. By combining their unique strength, the friends were able to rebuild the bridge and reach their goal. Friendship is valuable. Supporting and encouraging each other made the task easier and more enjoyable. Appreciate diversity. Each friend's different ability were crucial in completing the task. Perseverance and support. The friends never give up and always help each other, showing that persistence and mutual support can lead to success. This story teaches children the importance of friendship and teamwork, demonstrating how working together and appreciating each other's strength can help overcome the challenges. So children, if you like the story, please like, share and subscribe our channel.